Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anjali Somani and I have been getting so many DMs asking which faculties do I refer to for CA Intermediate. So in today's video, I'll be sharing all the faculties that I personally studied from for both the groups that helped me in my preparation and also some other amazing faculties that are super popular among students. So yes, without wasting any time, let's get started. So starting with group one for advanced accounting, I refer to Parag Gupta sir's playlist. He has a full playlist for CA intermediate, like something 53, 54 videos में पूरा CA intermediate advanced accounting का syllabus उन्होंने cover किया है. His conceptual clarity is next level और concept clear करने के बाद वो questions भी solve करवाते हैं module के, repetitive ones solve नहीं करवाते हैं, पर main जो भी module के questions होते हैं वो solve करवाते हैं, which really helps in understanding the exam patterns and concept deeply. और वो जब कॉन्सेप्ट सॉल्व करवाते हैं तो वो नोट्स भी लिखते हैं मतलब अपनी स्क्रीन पे, तो वो नोट्स अगर आप उनके साथ में लिखोगे तो योर conceptual clarity would be very good. Back then when I was preparing till the September 25 attempt, his playlist was completely free on YouTube, but now it's available only for members, and I think he charges around 1200 or 1600 for access. So now you will need to become a member to watch those lectures. Another amazing and very popular faculty for advanced accounts, and one that I personally like a lot, is Akash Kandoi sir. He recently started teaching advanced accounts, मतलब fully अभी पढ़ाना चालू किया है, and his conceptual clarity is also next level excellent, and he covers मतलब पहले वो concept clear करवाते हैं, उसके बाद वो module के questions RTP, MTP, PYQ के भी जो मेन क्वेश्चंस है वो सब कवर करवा रहे हैं. ओवरऑल ही टीचिंग स्टाइल इज वेरी फ्रेंडली एंड वाइबी, बहुत मजा आता है उनसे पढ़ने में, विच मेक्स लर्निंग enjoyable, and he is very easy to relate, easy to connect with. So yes, this was for advanced accounts. So for law I refer to Arjun Chhabra sir. उनका YouTube पे एक playlist है, like named something like super power batch or wisdom batch, something like that. I'll share the link of that playlist in the description below. In that batch, he doesn't teach everything completely from the scratch, but his lectures are more like marathon style revisions. But honestly, those marathon lectures are so good that they are even better than some faculty's full-fledged batches. उनका जो तरीका है सेक्शंस एक्सप्लेन करने का, वो जो एग्जांपल्स देते हैं इतने रियल लाइफ लगते हैं कि सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स दिमाग में अपने आप ही बैठ ही जाते हैं. मैंने उनकी हैंड रिटन नोट्स ऑर्डर किए थे उनकी वेबसाइट से, एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, दोज नोट्स आर द बेस्ट. They are colorful, well structured, and they make revision so smooth. And another very popular faculty for law is Shubham Singhal sir. I personally haven't studied from him, but a lot of my friends have, and they absolutely loved his classes. His conceptual clarity and coverage are excellent. He explains section in a very logical and student friendly way. So yeah, Arjun Chhabra sir for me was completely a game changer for law, and Shubham Singhal sir is also an equal amazing option if you are looking for strong conceptual understanding. So for the subject, that's honestly a nightmare for most of us. Yes, I'm talking about direct text. I studied from the very well known faculty. Yes, you guessed it right, BB sir. He is absolutely great. I ordered his compact and compiler, and trust me, they are literally lifesavers. The compact covers everything in a super crisp way. All notes are colorful, highlighting the amendments, important sections, key points, and the compiler includes all the RTP, MTP, PYQs, and module main questions, everything in one place. His material is very exam oriented, and the best part is that you can easily revise it 3 to 4 times before your exams, even during the 1.5 day revision period that we get before our exams. Those notes are super extremely helpful. Another amazing faculty for DT is Amit Mahajan sir. I can say he's truly the Gen Z teacher. His teaching style is so interactive, so friendly, so crazy. He solves every question along with you, like आपको लगेगा कि वो literally आपके बड़े भाई जैसे आपके साथ में बैठ के solve कर रहे हैं, आपको समझा रहे हैं, and the way he explains concept make direct text feel so simple. He literally sits with every student, guiding them through each provision like a friend. His focus on concept clarity and logical understanding is something that I really admire. For IDT, that is GST, I did Jasprit sir from Physics Wala. his concept clarity is excellent. He manages to cover the whole GST syllabus in a very less time. मतलब 4 से 5 वीडियोस, each video is of 4 to 5 hours. इतने में वो पूरा जीएसटी कवर करवा देते हैं. मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अच्छे से कवर करवा देते हैं. उनके नोट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. और यस, अमित महाजन सर भी आईटीटी पढ़ाते हैं. And some of my friends also refer to Vishal Bhattar sir. So both of whom are very popular and have detailed exam-oriented batches. So now moving towards group 2, cost and management accounting के लिए, costing के लिए, I referred Namit Arora sir's booster batch, and trust me guys, it's marvelous. It's short, focused and perfect for revision. उनके booster batch में सबसे पहले तो वो अपने को concept पूरा सिखाते हैं कि कौन से chapter में क्या concept है, क्या formulas हैं. फिर वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवाते हैं. मतलब सारी क्वेश्चन जो भी बूस्टर बैच में सभी वो उनके साथ सॉल्व करवाते हैं. और उनके जो भी क्वेश्चंस है उसमें आरटीपी, एमटीपी मॉड्यूल के जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है वो सब कवर होते हैं. और मैंने पर्सनली उनके बूस्टर बैच के साथ सारी मॉड्यूल के क्वेश्चंस किए थे, एंड दैट वर्कड वंडर्स फॉर मी. Many of my friends refer Pranav Popat sir. They said his practical approach and clarity helped them a lot. तो वो सारी मॉड्यूल के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कराते हैं, और उनकी जो पढ़ाने की स्टाइल है वो भी बहुत सारे बच्चों को बहुत अच्छी लगती है. सो यस, प्रणव पोपट सर एंड नमित अरोड़ा सर are the faculties that you can refer for costing. So yes, moving towards next nightmare subject for most of us, and personally for me, that is audit. For audit, I followed Rishabh Jain sir blindly. I literally followed him blindly. He made me fall in love with audit. He has a dedicated playlist for us intermediate students covering everything. Like उनकी playlist को ऐसा समझ लो कि scratch से ही पूरा audit समझा रहे हैं वो. और बहुत अच्छा audit पढ़ाते हैं. उनके जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, उनके जो पढ़ाने की स्टाइल है वो बहुत बहुत अच्छी लगती है मुझे. एंड सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो लाइक शुभम केशवानी सर. They found his explanation style and summary notes like उनके mnemonic style something. I don't know. I haven't studied from him, but his notes are also very helpful for many of the students. So yes, you can go for Shubham Keshwani sir or Rishabh Jain sir for audit. एंड एसएम के लिए, एफएम के लिए, एफएम के लिए आई रेफर टू नमित अरोड़ा सर्स बूस्टर बैच. उनका बूस्टर बैच वही कॉस्ट जैसे बहुत अच्छा है. पहले कॉन्सेप्ट सिखाते हैं, फिर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवाते हैं. इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर क्विक येट स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्चुअल कवरेज. And some of the students also follow Nitin Guru sir, and they really liked his short tricks and problem solving methods. And for essence strategic management, I studied from the best Rishabh Jain sir, who connects theory with real life example, and it really helps in remembering better. And SM के लिए स्वप्निल पटनी सर इज ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन, बिकॉज उनका कुछ ऐसे 5 घंटे का एक वीडियो है जिसमें उन्होंने पूरा एसएम कवर किया है. मैंने वो भी देखा था, बहुत अच्छा था. तो यस, फॉर एसएम यू कैन गो विथ ऋषभ जैन सर और स्वप्निल पटनी सर. एंड फॉर एफएम यू कैन गो विथ नमित अरोड़ा सर और नितिन गुरु सर. So yes, this was about all the subjects of both the group. So yes, these were all the faculties I referred for my pre-inter journey, along with some another amazing options my friends recommend, and some of those who are very popular among students. And I would personally like to say that every teacher is best in their own way. They have their own strength. तो सारे टीचर्स अच्छा ही पढ़ाते हैं, सेम ही पढ़ा रहे हैं. बस आपको कौन से टीचर की टीचिंग स्टाइल क्लिक कर रही है वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है. तो यस, आई वुड सजेस्ट टेक अ फ्यू डेमोज. यूट्यूब पर फ्री में ही अवेलेबल है सबके डेमो लेक्चर्स. और आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट डोंट रश बिहाइंड फैकल्टीज जो बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर हैं. यू शुड सी फॉर योरसेल्फ कि किसकी टीचिंग स्टाइल आपको बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. So yes, I'll mention all these faculties name and links in the description below. You can also drop your favorite faculties in the comments so we can help each other out. So yes, that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like a video on revision plan for Gen 26 attempt, or individual subject wise strategy, or something else you'd want me to cover. Thank you so much for watching. Your support really means a lot. I'll see you super soon with more helpful CA content. Until then, keep shining, keep hustling. Anjali Somani signing off.